a good one. You know, we've been working hard all day to try to hook one of these Atlantics. We've been at it for about 3 hours. Haven't seen a thing. All of a sudden, Mike Crosby hooks a giant, and that fish wrapped around a stick and busted off. The sun's starting to peek out a little bit. I wonder if that has something to do with it. But a couple casts after Mike lost his fish, I tie into this bad boy. Yeah! It's a big fish.
Yeah, nice. Beauty. Whoa.
I don't think he was ready yet.
That's a beauty.
This is anywhere you go, a fish of a lifetime. He's still raring to get going. Just amazing. Okay, we're gonna let him go and go for a bigger one.
There you go.
Perfect.
Nice.
My biggest Atlantic. How
Good
awesome
job.
is
Great
that?
job.
Man, what a
Beautiful.
week so far. It's only day 2.
Beautiful.
Whoa, did you see that? A big salmon just came and whacked that one. Like a big one. Tried to take a chunk out of him. See ya, quick release. Just like that.